Even if you made just $5, you may still need to file US taxes. This is what most Kenyans in the diaspora don't realize. Why this matters? Some of you might say, mimi nili-earn $250. That is not a valid excuse. The IRS doesn't care how small the amount was, even $5 is income. Not filing raises red flags, even for the tiny amounts. Filing is your proof that you are compliant. Your tax return is your protection. It proves that you are honest, whether you earned $1 or $1,000. The IRS takes records, not vibes. File now, don't wait until it's too late. IRS will still expect a return. If you received a 1099 form, the IRS already has that record. Even if you didn't make much, it is in their system. Not filing can lead to penalties or trigger an audit. Always match what they know. Filing protects your future. Dreaming of a green card? Want to get a loan or open a business? Tax history matters. Audits can go years back. Filing today protects your tomorrow. Final reminder, always file even if it's a nil return. It's not about how much you earn, it's about staying compliant. Tax filing leads to peace of mind. Not filing leads to unnecessary risk. Share this with someone in the diaspora. Please subscribe for more simple diaspora tax tips. Share this with someone working online or abroad.